Okay, we have our head finished. We got it all sanded down. So we're going to start to seal it. First thing you want to do is take a damp cloth and wipe everything down. You want to get all that dust and everything off of there. Then I'm using this. This is plastic wood. Any kind of wood filler will work. I put some in here, add a little bit of water to it, just so it'll be a little more runny, kind of like a peanut buttery consistency, so it'll spread better, because we're going to cover the entire head with this. Put this back here, this so I can hang it up and dry when I get to that point. So like I say, we're going to cover the entire head with this. A little bit of water there. It's a water base, so it's really easy to work with. So by adding a little bit of water to it, it just makes it a little bit easier to work with. Spreads a little better. And if you can put a little on your finger and spread it out, smooth it out a little more if you need to. What we'll do is this is going to hide all your little scratches or any little nicks you might have in there. We use this to cover up all our screws that we inset. Put this on, and then I'm going to let it dry for a day or two. Make sure it sets up good. Then we'll sand it all down. Touch up spots that need to be touched up. Sand those down. And then we should be ready to get it primed and ready for painting. Set this up and let this dry. And we'll start working on the head. And I always start from the center, work my way out. And then the reason you inset those screws is so you can cover it up with this putty. And then we'll sand it down later. Same thing on the sides. This is why you inset those screws. That way you'll cover them and they won't be seen. And these do tend to shrink up when it dries. That's why you have to put a second coat on some of these spots. But you only have to touch it up where you need to. For the most part, it'll smooth out pretty good. And we'll start on the inside. I always start on the inside and work my way out. by using water on your finger, you're able to get it spread out a little more evenly. Doesn't really matter how thick you put it on, because you're going to sand it, most of it back off to smooth it out anyway. So we're going to continue on, get it all covered, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in my comments section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.